packing day! Woo!
All right,
We got all the packing cubes ready because packing cubes just make packing so much easier. But yeah, let's get started. So for me, what really helps with packing is making a list and planning out your outfits. So for cruises, you know, you have your daytime outfits, which is usually gonna be like if you're at the beach or if you're at the pool, kind of just like your comfy, I can get these dirty clothes. And then in the evening, I have outfits that I'm like, well, once we're cleaned up after dinner, you know, walk around the ship, catch some shows, just chill. I have just like casual outfits. And then at the bottom, I put all my dresses for dinner that night. Not all of them are gonna be like elegant, but you know, just casual. But making a list day by day really helps if you are gonna be planning and packing for your own. This is a godsend. And what really helps me is packing, when I pack, putting the outfits by like day. So I have the shorts and the shirt already together and just kind of putting them in order that way because it helps unpack and kind of keep you organized with what you want to wear for what day.
so we're gonna be gone for 8 days. That means I need 8 pairs of pants and like
A lot of stuff.
and a lot of stuff.
That's why I have a huge, well, it's a 7-day cruise, but we're gonna be getting there a day early and we're staying a day after in Galveston. So you need outfits for anything. I'm gonna take this. This is gonna be my favorite carry-on.
So right now I have only 4 pairs of pants in my hands, but I like to wear pants, especially at night when we're on the ship. So I'll for sure probably bring like 5 or 6 pairs of pants, and then the rest can be shorts and then swim trunks.
Well, and especially like inside the ship, it's really cold. They always have the air conditioner blasting. So pants are a good idea. Plus in the evening when it's windy, it can be a little chilly too. I think he knows we're leaving. He's like attached to me now. I think he's learned what suitcases mean. Hi people. Say hi people. Hi people.
Excuse me, boy. Up, move. He doesn't want to move.
Come on, bud. Come on. There you go. Right there. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy.
There's an 80s night on board?
Are you dressing up for it?
I don't know. The only 80s thing I have is like these light blue skinny jeans.
Say, I don't have anything 80s. It's kind of too late for me to figure something out at this point.
I mean, the only other thing 80s I have is this hat from Universal.
Such a cool hat. I love the colors. What I also like to do, since I have my list, is as I pack, I like to highlight each thing so I know that it's already in there, and it just kind of helps you keep a little more organized.
I mean, it's kind of like the same thing when you go to Florida and you go to Disney or anything like that. You're wearing 2 different clothes a day. Mm-hmm. At least 2 different shirts, at least. Mm-hmm. Because during the day, you just get hot, sweaty, and you want to change or shower. You go in the pool, then you change at night. So we're packing like double the shirts that I normally would.
That's why when I made my list, I have daytime outfits and nighttime outfits. What's fun is if y'all watched our last cruise, it was only a 5 day, so there's only 1 elegant night, but if it's a 6 days or more, they have 2 elegant nights. So we get to dress to impress twice, which I love. I think it's fun dressing up because, I mean, a lot of times, what occasion are you gonna be dressing up for? Not very often, you know?
All right, we got most of our stuff packed. Not everything. I still need to pack my pants in a bag, but Haley got me these 2 shorts, swim trunks. They both look pretty nice.
I have a matching swimsuit. So we're gonna be twinsies on the ship. So that means we have 4 swimsuits that we're gonna be matching in.
That's what that reminds me of.
There we go.
I got the power of dogs on my side.
How's that working for you?
Good. Good.
All right, you got. I got dress shoes, sandals, workout clothes, socks and undies and swimming suits. Everything is packed except toiletries.
These things are lifesavers. Not sponsored, but these Downy sprays.
Oh my god, yes. Because there's like no iron in the cruise cabin, but with all this packing, you know, your stuff's gonna get wrinkled. That wrinkle release spray works like a charm, but you have to get the Downy one. We got a different brand. I don't remember which one it was, and it was terrible. It didn't do the job at all.
I knew I was forgetting something. Mister, sitting on it.
He's like, if I sit on this, you can't go. You can't eat.
Okay, so the important stuff first. A film bag. A film bag is almost everything on this trip. So, I have my DJI Action 2, which I've had this for about 3 or 4 years now. It was new when it came out, but obviously I don't have the latest and greatest, but it still does the job. It does the trick. It's awesome because you can just kind of, it's magnetized and you just clip in. Yeah, it's cool. I like it a lot. I got my wireless, I mean, it is wireless, but it's a plug and play kind of microphone for the camera you're watching right now. I also have the DJI mics that I'm using right now. Very nice. And I'm debating on bringing the Rode Wireless Pros. They're really nice. So, I don't know. I think I'll bring both and I'll just kind of interchange, flip-flop when I use them. All right, that's pretty much everything done. Got everything packed. We got shirts, pants, undies, socks, swimsuits.
Dress wear, nice clothes, workout clothes, all the shoes, accessories, cover-ups. We got everything. By the time you guys see this, we will be in Galveston already.
Yeah.
But we'll get on the cruise on Saturday.
So, yeah, that's so good. But yeah, so if you're going on the Carnival Jubilee, and we see you, or you see us, come say hi. We're excited.
We are. It's gonna be so much fun.
This is gonna be my first big ship, my first week-long cruise.
And this ship is bigger than any of the ones that I've been on, so this is gonna be really, really cool, very exciting, and definitely a lot of new experiences for the both of us.
So we're looking forward to vlogging each day of the cruise and vlogging everything about the ship.
Yeah, a lot of new things, and we're actually gonna be going on this trip with my parents and sister, so.
With that being said, we're gonna head out now, so bye.